What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Finally, after a long wait, it's now available. TrollStore for iOS 17 is finally released. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install TrollStore on iOS 17. If you don't know what is TrollStore, well, TrollStore is a utility which is able to permanently sign and install any app with almost any entitlement with the help of a CoreTrust bug. The latest releases of TrollStore, especially 2.0 and later, work through the use of a CoreTrust bug in which code signatures are not correctly verified under certain circumstances. In simple terms, it allows for installing apps with custom entitlements, allowing them to be treated as a system apps with extra features compared to the normal side loading, and allows them to be installed permanently. It's pretty easy to install TrollStore on iOS 17. If you want to install TrollStore on iOS 17, a new installation method called TrollRestore has been released. This new method is completely different compared to the previous TrollStore installation methods. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to install TrollStore. Here is the requirements. First, make sure to disable Find My iPhone, install the latest version of Python 3 for your computer, ensure you are on a compatible iOS 17 build, and finally install a system app from the App Store such as Tips app. Okay, now let's go ahead and install TrollStore. Here, as you see, we will use a tool called TrollRestore. TrollRestore is a TrollStore installer for iOS 15.2, 16.7, and 17. It will replace a system app of your choice with a TrollHelper binary, which you can then open and use to install TrollStore. Alright, here is the requirements for your computer. First, a device running iOS, iPadOS 15.2 to 16.6.1, 16.7, and iOS 17.0. The latest version of Python 3, the latest version of iTunes if you are using Windows, the latest version of TrollRestore for your platform. For Windows, this will be TrollRestore.exe. For Apple Silicon Macs, this will be TrollRestore ARM64. For Intel-based Macs, it will be TrollStore AMD64. For Linux, this will be TrollRestore Linux. Make sure to download the correct version for your Mac. If you have a Mac with Apple chip, make sure to download ARM64 version. If you have a Mac with Intel chip, make sure to download AMD64 version. Okay, now go ahead and download TrollRestore. Okay, here scroll down and download TrollRestore for your device. Since I'm using Mac with Intel chip, so I will download AMD64 version. Okay, it's now downloading. The download is completed. Now, after downloading TrollRestore, go ahead and unzip the file. And as you see, you will get this app. Now connect your iOS device. This is my iPhone XS. I will connect it. Now go ahead and open TrollRestore. Here, as you see, please specify the removable system app you want to replace with TrollHelper. If you don't know which app to specify the Tips app. So here, type Tips and hit enter. And as you see, Find My iPhone must be disabled in order to use this tool. So I will disable it. Okay, after disabling Find My, go ahead and reopen the tool. Type Tips and hit enter. And as you see, installed successfully. Your device should reboot. Okay, now let's continue on iPhone. Now just go ahead and open Tips app. And as you see, this is the TrollStore helper that we will use to install TrollStore. Okay, TrollStore is not installed. Now press install TrollStore and wait a few seconds. Your device should respring. Go ahead and go to the home screen and you should find TrollStore app. And as you see here, this is the TrollStore. Go ahead and open it. TrollStore is finally here on iOS 17. Now you can install any apps with TrollStore, and the best thing is that it is completely free. Here there is something important you must do, which is to install Persistence Helper. Press on Persistence Helper. Now here select a system app to install the TrollStore Persistence Helper into. The normal function of the app will not be available, so it's recommended to pick something useless like Freeform app. Now I will open Freeform app. Okay, it has been installed successfully. TrollStore Persistence Helper is installed here. Now you are ready to go. As I said, TrollStore allows for installing apps with custom entitlements, allowing them to be treated as system apps with extra features compared to the normal side loading. And the best thing is that it allows them to be installed permanently. It's an amazing app that I recommend you guys to install. Now I will try to install an app. I will install AppStore tool, press the share button. Now open it in TrollStore. Hit install, and that's it. AppStore tool has been installed. Now I will try it. Okay, I will downgrade this app version. Press and hold on it. Here select downgrade, fetching versions, and boom, as you see, now you can downgrade any app to any old version you want. So guys, this is how to install TrollStore on iOS 17. It's pretty easy and simple. As this method of installing TrollStore involves restoring a modified backup, you will need to disable Find My before installing it. TrollRestore does not restore a proper persistence helper. It simply replaces the main binary of a system app with an embedded TrollHelper. Thus, after installing TrollStore, it's recommended to install a persistence helper. You can use the same app used with TrollRestore as your persistence helper. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace out.